Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to graph functions on your graphing calculator. First thing to understand about your graphing calculator and graphing function is where do you go to do so. On this one, I would hit the Y equals key up in the upper left-hand corner. And then I get a list of different functions that I can type in a bunch of different things for. So I could graph a linear function, 2x minus 1. Click enter to save that. I could do a quadratic function, x squared minus 3x plus 1. And then really, as long as you know how to access the functions on your calculator, you can graph pretty much whatever you want. If you want to do a different power function, x, use the exponent key over here, let's say 5. It is important when you do use that exponent key, when you're done with the exponent, click the right arrow to get out of it. You could use trigonometric functions, exponential functions, so I could have 5 to the x minus 4. So notice that I have 5 different functions defined. Each one of them will get graphed in a different color. And if there's a function in here that I don't want to include in my graph, I can move over to the equal sign. Notice that the equal sign is highlighted in black. I can just hover over it, click enter, and it will no longer be highlighted in black, which is an indication it will not get graphed. And then if I want to see all these functions or whatever functions it is I'm trying to graph, I just click on graph, and it shows me the different functions that I've graphed and defined and selected. All right, now there's a lot of different reasons why you might want to graph functions. You can actually do a lot of different things using the different menus to find points of intersection, zeros, things like that. Those will all be in different tutorials, but this is a quick tutorial on how to graph different functions using your graphing calculator.